Hi, David Center Tagamore. I want to show you this aerospeed 20-inch 3-speed box fan. There it is. These are the two stands that stand is up. And aerospeed box fan. Set on low here. We use it downstairs in the basement here. Medium. And high. Here you can see the fan running while I'm moving this cord around. There you go. And off. Let's turn it back on high for you guys. Then off. This has a very long spin down. The model number is a BX100. That's the model number for it. There's the back of a fan. Side of it. Here's the front. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.